Hi, this is Guy from Project Portfolio Office, and this video is one of our capability videos focused on lessons. If you activate the lessons capability in PPO, what you get is the ability to log lessons under the projects as the project progresses. Based on your user group, you'll be able to add, edit, delete, and move lessons. Typically, only administrators have delete access, and team members, project managers, and executives, and those type of users will have the ability to add, edit, and potentially move. To record a lesson in PPO is fairly simple. Out of the box, we provide the ability to record select the project that the lesson was learnt on, the title, the description, provide a type of lesson, and here we cover things like process, people, those type of things, organization, other, people, process, project management, whether the lesson was something that worked well or whether it was something that didn't work well, who submitted the lesson, and then any actions and recommendations. So what you build up if you use this functionality is a knowledge repository of lessons learned across all your different projects. These you can obviously now review and you can use as you progress. If the capability is switched on within the initiation portion of the lifecycle, so the PPO lifecycle is a visual representation of the process to be used, and when you initiate, one of the steps in the process is then for the project team and specifically the project managers to review the lessons learned. So what they'd be able to do is access from here a lessons learned report, which would then provide a detailed list of all the lessons that have been learned on the projects in the portfolio so far. So this is a good tool to allow them to not make the same mistakes or to double down on stuff that has been done specifically well. Furthermore, if this capability is enabled, we pull those lessons through into the closure report. So one of the benefits of using PPO is that the information that you record and store during the project automatically flows through onto the closure report. PPO allows all the project management artifacts like a project management plan, a project closure report, a milestone certificate, a project charter to be rendered directly out of the system as opposed to the need to use Word templates. So in the closure report, when you get to the end of your project, it will record all the information you've captured, but those lessons, if you enable that capability, will then flow through onto the report as well. So for the people signing and approving the closure and the closure report specifically, those lessons are then recorded. A good practice and a good way to ensure that lessons are recorded, discussed, and actions and recommendations taken on them. Furthermore, if the lesson sits in PPO's database, then I can use basic PPO functionality like searching. So let's say we know we have some challenges around meeting attendance, so I may be able to search for that. And what PPO's database will then find is any lessons that were learned previously, and there was one on the procurement module development project and one on the cost to income ratio project, and there was also another one which was on the business architecture blueprint project. So the search capability in PPO will pick up these lessons. I can then drill into that specific lesson, understand more about it, and once again, making use of the conversation functionality, I might then decide to call out my project manager so that they would receive a notification of this lesson and something that they can then build into their process. Hope you found this useful, and I hope it's given you a good explanation of the capability of PPO when it comes to lessons. Thanks for watching this video, and if there's other capabilities you're interested, please follow our other videos in the capability library.